Okay, where we come to poly alphabet, which means today which we see is about polyfair playfair cipher ነው ያየነው ዛሬ ፈተናም ተፈትናችኋል ከዚህ ቄሳርንም እንደዛው አድርጌ ፈትኛችኋለሁ። አብዛኛችሁ እንግዲህ ጥያቄ በጣም ስጠይቁ የነበረ ፈተና ላይ ሆናችሁ let us see together now. First of all, multiple letter encryption cipher ነው ይሄ it use what 5 by 5 matrix ነው የሚጠቀመው 5 by 5 matrix fayyadame inni 5 ሲባዛ 5 ስንት ነው? digdamii jaha jechuu digdamii shanii jechuu kanaafu qubeen guutuudhaaf what we will do here first of all let us see this one. Look at this. I and the J is what count as one letter no, okay? Monarchy is the key, so here we have what B. Why? Monarchy key ይሰጠናል. If they say use the key monarchy, we will create matrix 5 by 5, 1 which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will write what this key inside. We fill it inside our table. After we fill it መጨረሻ ላይ y ነው የሚቆመው ሞናርኪ ብሎ ከዛ abcd እንሞላዋለን ይሄንን ማለት ነው a እንጻፍ ካል a is already there, we used it. So b, what about b? There is no b, we will write b. C for c is there. What about d? There is no d, we will put d here. E እንደዛ ያለ ሞላና i እና j ግን አንድ ላይ ነው የምንጠቀማቸው ኦኬ ካለበለዚያ 26 ይመጣል 5 by 5 አይሆንም it will be counted as 1 okay up to z fill እናደርጋለን. Let us see by example and first of all let us see the rule okay have to be followed for playfair cipher. Playfair cipher when we say it uses 5 by 5 matrix, letter I and J count as one letter okay. Steps are the simplest step ይሄ ሜሞራይዝ ማድረግ መቻል አለባችሁ ሰሙ ቀበችሁ ቀብደን first of all we have to draw diagram. Second one is what we have to fill okay or we have to what repeating letter ካለ fill እናደርጋለን okay የጎደለ ካለ ደግሞ fill እናደርጋለን ለሁለት እየለያየን ማለት ነው ለማለመት ያደባፍኔ yoo amma fakkeenyaaf qubee shan ta'e lama kophaa gisee baafnee ammas lama afurimi kan qubee tokkicha dhuma hafu suniif x daballaa jechuudha. If there is repeating also, for example ballon, if when we write there is double l ሁለቱን l በመሃል x እናስገባለን ማለት ነው. For repeating letter also we have to fill letter okay. So after we did this we have to come back to our table. If the letters found on same column we have to wrap down okay wrap around toward the arrow direction. If it is on the same row we have to wrap around to arrow direction okay toward the right ማለት ነው ጥያቄ ዛሬ የሆነባችሁ እንግዲህ this the fifth step ነው. If it is not found on the same column as well as on the same row and it become rectangle we have to swap. We will see this by example okay. Let us see this example. Example, using the key Rayhan, let us encrypt Farhan. Okay? We are going to use the key what? Rayhan. To encrypt what? Farhan. Okay? So what we will do first of all, the first step is what? Diagram. We have to create first of all our table 5 by 5. Before that we have to separate Farhan in what? to FE ለብቻ RH ለብቻ AN ለብቻ ስለዚህ filling letter የለም already full ናቸው repeating letterም we don't have here repeating letter so we have to what create our table. So REYHAN we come then A ብለን ሞት ይጀምራል A already we have so B there is no B will be filled. C there is no C is filled. D there is no D. F there is no F. G I and G used as one. K no. L M N R ለን ተጠቅመናል. O we have to fill. P Q R አለ ራይሃን የመጀመሪያዋ. S no S we have to write. T U V W X Y አለ የቱ ጋር ራይ ሃን ብለን ሶስተኛዋ ላይ እዚህ ጋር አለች. Okay so X እንጽፋለን Z ጨረስን ማለት ነው. So now we are going to separate ፈርሃን ማለት ነው. Okay እንዴት እናደርጋለን? FERHAN by step 2. Repeating letter የለም, filling letter there is no. Okay, so now we are going to what? Search for FE. FE here, F is here, it is available here. What about E? It is available here. So it is not found on the same row as well as on the same column. So what we will do, we will jump step number 3, step number 4, and come to step number 5. Okay, so what we will do, rectangle swap እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። rectangle እንሰራለን እዚሁ. We have to create rectangle ኡመኔ. So how we will swap? E swapped with A and F swapped with B, which means this one is replaced by A and this one is replaced by B. Okay, F to B and E to A. Clear ነው አይደለ? Then BE ሆነ ማለት ነው. We converted, okay, toward cipher now. What is remaining now? RH is remaining. Okay, when we come to this one, first of all, what we have to do, there is what? Searching. R is here. What about H? It is here. So from this, which step we will follow? It found on the same row. So wrap around ነው የምናደርገው. Okay, step number 4. What's wrap around means? R ይሄ አይደለ? ከሱ ቀጥሎ ያለውን መጠቀም ማለት ነው። ዳይሬክሽኑ እንደሚያሳየው ቀስቱ። R we will use what? This one, E. At the place of what? R. And at the place of H also we will use what? A. Then which means R is converted to E, H is to A, then it will become EA. Okay, what's remain now? AN. Okay, okay, for AN, it's found on, this is Rehan. Okay, AN found, A is found here and the N is found here. It's not on the same row as well as not on the same column. So step 5 ነው አሁንም. So what we will do, rectangle ስለሆነ swap እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው. Which means A is replaced by R and N is replaced by F ማለት ነው. Okay, A is replaced by R and N is replaced by what? F, which means A to R and N to F. Then our cipher text look like this. አሁን BEEARF ነው የምልከው ማለት ነው ለሪሲቨሩ። ከዛ ኢንትሩደሩ yookaan hackerri ጊዜ argatu maal akka jechuu ta'e hin beeku jechuudha. Akkanan laalee it's what? Cipher text for him. This is how to convert what? Fair cipher text from plain text to what? Cipher text, as well as from cipher text to plain text. When we are converting cipher text to plain text, also we will use the same key. Okay, okay. Let us see the rules. Plain text is encrypted 2 letters at a time according to the following rules. Okay, rule 1 and 2 Allah. The first rule, what it say? Repeating plain text letters that are in the same pair are separated with filler letter such as X. Okay, for example, balloon ከተሰጠን would be treated as what? BA ለብቻ L የተመሳሰለ ስለሆነ L አንዷን X እናደርጋታለን. LX, LO, then ON. Okay, this is rule number 1. On rule number 2, the plain text letters that fall in the same row of the matrix, which means in the same row ያለው ማለት ነው, as I told you, are each replaced by the letters that are the right with the first element of the row. ከሱ ቀጥሎ ባለው ማለት ነው. Following the last. Okay, for example, AR is encrypted as RM ማለት ነው. Okay, this clear. Okay, when we come to rule number 3 and 4, rule number 3 says that 2 plain text letters that fall in the same column are each replaced by the letter Benz, which means ከነሱ ታች ያለው ማለት ነው. Okay, begins with the top element of the column, circularly following the last. For example, MU is encrypted as what? CM. Okay? ይህ እንግዲህ በኤግዛምፕል አይተነዋል። it is clear. Okay? Otherwise, each plain text letter in a pair is replaced by the letter that lies in its own row and the column occupied by the other plain text letter, which means ከታች ምንም ከሌለ በሱ ሮው ላይ ያለው ከላይ ያለው ነው የምንወስደው። ዮ isa gidla qubee sun qubeen biraan jiraanne roowuma sun haa ta'u malee ka gubbaa jiru fudhannaa jechuudha. Bahee achiin gubbaa seenee jechuudha akkasii fudhattanii. This is all about cipher, Kaiser cipher text and uh, uh, this one, okay, which means fair play text, fair plain text የሚባለው ማለት ነው። This is all. So in next we will going to see about Hill cipher or polyalphabetic ነው ይሄኛው. So until next video, thank you.